Well, the next thing to do is add Magento user to the sudoers list. Really, we will add to the Magento group to the file sudoers. To do this, let's execute the next command. First, we need to root as login to as root user. Well, as parent. Okay, then let me find this, and now let's copy this line and change this. Let's go to check. Yes, now we can execute commands that let's do some manager things over the virtual machine. Now let's follow the Magento website instruction to install the platform. Well, the first thing that we need to install Magento is to accomplish the stack requirements. The first thing is you must use Linux, Windows, and Mac OS are not supported. The second thing is the memory requirement, at least 2 GB of RAM memory. Okay, let's check both. First, let's check the operating system. Yes, here we have CentOS Linux release number 8. And now let's check the memory. Free and hyphen H, because I want in human readable format. Here is telling me that I have 5.7 GB of memory, total RAM memory.